Hey everyone, it's Daniel Eats World. It's day one in Brazil at the, how do you pronounce it? Iguazu Waterfalls. This is our Airbnb. We're about to get a quick bite and then head to the falls. Let's go. All right, Larry, come on. Describe your outfit. How much did it cost? Where's it from?
Lululemon. Socks from Adidas. Bag from Nike. How much it costs? I don't know, like 200 total, more or less. Costco.
Nice, nice.
Don't forget about this. $15 at Costco. Good find.
It's a steal. That's a steal. Oh man, it's humid outside in Brazil right now. We're about to head to the McDonald's right across the street. We're gonna pick a quick bite and then head to the waterfalls on the Brazil side. Yo, we're so excited, aren't we? Damn. Woo! I wonder if there's anything special on this menu.
Look at the bestseller. Oh, coffee?
Looks pretty standard. They got the mixed shaker, lemon pepper fries. That's something new. Damn, alright. About to feast. About to feast. Damn, let's eat. Alright, I think this banana pie is something special that they only have in Brazil. I don't know, I haven't seen this one. It's like a burger with onion rings.
Yeah.
Look how big this is. Yeah. I'm sharing with my friend like multiple of these. And then this one is the McCrispy chicken. The what is it? The Legends? Legends. Look at this. Shit. And then we got like a McShaker fry. Lemon pepper.
Oh, that's bad. That's a bad.
We got this special sauce too. Okay. So you pour the fries in this shaker bag. And then yeah. Yeah, look at all that. Lemon pepper. Shake that shit up. Ooh, it's peppery.
Got her sneezing. So peppery.
It's lemony and peppery. Good. Cut this out. I'm gonna cut this out. We paid extra for this paprika sauce. Kind of like salsa-y. Right, it's kind of like hot sauce. Oh, nice. Perfectly cut. Alright, this is the onion rings burger. There's 2 patties and bacon and cheese. I think it's okay. A bit cheesy. I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack afterwards. Wanna try? It's okay. This is the McLegend, fried chicken, bacon, and lettuce. Oh, I like this one better than the burger. I think there's like mayonnaise in it or some kind of rancy sauce. Is it?
I don't know.
It's like an elevated McChicken.
Yep. I agree with that.
Really crispy chicken. Very good. They're trying to compete with the Chick-fil-A. I can recommend. We just finished eating at McDonald's. I would say it's a solid 7 out of 10. The chicken burger was one of my favorites of the day. So right now we're actually going to the waterfalls on the Brazil side. There's a lot of construction on the road, so there's a big detour that they have to take. So a lot of them were canceling on us. We had to, or he was asking us to pay a little bit more since it's gonna take a long time to get there. 70 reals, which equates to 12 US dollars, which is still pretty cheap. So, let's go! Woo! All right, we just got in the Uber. We're headed to the falls. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, so pray for us. We just got to the entrance of the park. Our Uber driver is dropping us off. We're doing the boat tour apparently. He's gonna bring us to his friends so that he can get some commission for it. It's around like 380 per person, and that's around 70 US dollars. It is quite pricey, but it comes with 3 sections: the safari, the hiking a little bit, and the boat tour, which brings you straight up to the waterfall. So
We're gonna get wet.
we're gonna get soaked. So here you can see the prices. $386 for the Makuko safari and boat. And then there's also all these different types that you could do as well. But we're gonna do this one. And you can buy your ticket once you get into the park. There's ticketing center. Okay, he recommends doing the little walk first, and then we take the bus back, do the safari, and then take the boat to the waterfall. So apparently you have to buy a ticket for the park itself. Here you can see the prices. Yep. So we just have to buy tickets now to the waterfall, which is a separate fee than entrance fee than the waterfall boat tour that we did. So but you can buy the tickets at the ticketing booths at the entrance of the waterfall. So no worries if you didn't buy it in advance. You can always get it here. That's what we're gonna do. So you can buy your tickets on these machines. It'll be 100 if you want to include the fee for the park, but you can pay with your credit card here. It's super easy. So now we're taking the 1:30 bus. There's different times that you can enter. However, now there's no line. So we're just gonna get on through here, and he said to take the bus to the Pink Hotel, and it's gonna be like a 30 to 40 minute walk to the waterfall. This is the bus that's gonna be transporting us. Let's get on. We gotta get the top. Hey, we got the front on the double decker.
Let's go.
Double decker.
Panoramic view.
Look at this. Damn. It's freaking hot though, so you gotta be prepared for the hot weather. Make sure you wear comfortable clothing.
Waterproof stuff.
Maybe some waterproof things.
Sandals.
We're gonna get wet later, but I wasn't prepared for this boat ride, so we'll see what's up. So first we're gonna do the hike by the waterfall. The stop that you wanna get off is at the Pink Hotel stop. There's one shuttle and you can just get off, like I think it's like 3 stops later. It's around 1.34 meters. It'll take around 90 minutes. Wow, right when you walk into the trail, you can see all of the falls, and it's pretty sick. All right, at the beginning of this trail, it brings you right to this like viewpoint. You can see like all the waterfalls. It's so sick. Wow. Wow. Nature. The never-ending waterfalls here. Just when you think you've seen the best waterfall, it just keeps on getting better. There's so many different vantage points you can see. It's crazy. This one's even crazier. Yeah, you can see the bottom of this falls. Damn. The waterfalls. All right, now we're going to walk down to the falls down there. Look at that. You see those people down there? That's where we're gonna head. Sorry, so trying to get this. There we go. Oh, look at this. Wow. We go down the trail. Into the rainforest. Now we are at the place where you can walk across to see all the falls. It's beautiful. Whoa. We just walked through all the waterfalls of the trail. Now we're at the safari stop. We weren't planning on going into the water, so now we need some ponchos because you're gonna get pretty wet when you get down to the falls. Yeah, we're all sweaty right now. We're about to go on the safari though.
Hot?
Hot as fuck.
How hot is it? 90?
It's like almost 100 degrees out here.
Woo!
Now we're on the safari now. To get on one of these trucks. There's a lot of bugs though, so be prepared to get attacked by bugs.
Não alimentando os animais e não toque na vegetação. Esse passeio hoje ele é dividido em 3 partes. A primeira nesse carrinho.
There was also a little hike you could take to the boat, but it's a little hot, so we opted to just take the drive there. We're lazy today. So let's go to the boat. Now we're on the way. So that takes you to the entrance, and down there is where boats pick you up and you go down to the river. It's one of these carts. Oh, we took the trolley down. So once you get out of the tram, you have to walk across to the other side where the boats are. They said there's a dry boat and a wet boat, but I feel like everybody gets on the same boat. So who knows? Find out now. And you get your life vest. And I will turn this off now. Right now we're on the boat, stopped at the first waterfall. It's pretty nice.
Woo! Before we get wet.
We're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet. We just got done with the tour and we're soaked. There is no dry boat, but it was invigorating, exhilarating. I could highly recommend. And this is the trolley going back up. Definitely wear a poncho or something that dries easily, or a swimsuit. Wear some sandals or something because your feet's gonna be soaked. And a protector for your phone if you want to take videos.